I think I might be the first one here though. I don't see anybody else.
I don't see them. Did I win?
I can't see them.
What's up guys, we are the video team for the Points Guy. We are gonna be racing today from Manhattan to JFK on 4 different modes of transportation: the subway, the Long Island Railroad, a car, and one lucky person is gonna be taking a helicopter. We are gonna pick randomly right now and we're gonna start the race as soon as we get our assignments. So, hat.
You lucky! I'm Nat Rowe and I'm taking the car. I'm Sarah. I'm unfortunately taking the subway.
Just taking the Long Island Railroad.
I'm Ted, and I will be flying in style on a blade.
Okay, I need a head start because I'm gonna be last. Bye, see y'all there. Do you know how to take the subway to JFK? We are starting this journey on Park Ave South. I'm going to find my Uber right now, and we're headed to JFK. Awesome. So we're on our way. It should take me about 50 minutes to get there from our office, so we will see if traffic is on our side today.
I'm stressed. I don't know how to do this. I've barely ever used the Long Island Railroad, so this will be an adventure. I have to take the subway to 34th Street where I can get on the Long Island Railroad. It says that the next train leaves at 9:45, so if things go my way, I should be able to make that train.
I got assigned to take a blade. In theory, I should be able to get there first because it's a freaking helicopter, right? All right, flight departs at 10:20. So it's still gonna take at least 20 minutes to get there just to the helipad. But it's a good thing I have 40 minutes, so I better freaking go right now. Honestly, trying to vlog and figure this out is really stressful. For Ted. All right, made in the lift. We are going to the helipad now, which is pretty sweet. Because it's the morning, I'm kind of worried that Nat is taking a car there and there's not gonna be any traffic leaving Manhattan, so she's just gonna get there super, super soon. But I should make up some time in the air, I think.
All right, I spoke too soon. We are in traffic. New York. My face when it says it's gonna take 20 minutes to go 7 miles. I need to get on the heat. The heat is killing me. My sweat is cooled and now I just feel gross. And I'm actually exhausted.
Just got here, 10:09. Hello. Hello. Where do I check in?
Where are you heading to?
JFK?
Are you Theodore?
I am.
Can I see a photo ID?
Yes.
Do you want a drink or anything?
I'll have a glass of rosé, please. I'm the only one on the flight. I get my own private helicopter. How exciting. I've got some catch up to do because I don't think Nat has any traffic and she has some spots in
So hot tip, 34th Street Herald Square and 34th Street Penn Station are different places. So I had to get out of the subway at Herald Square, walk to Penn Station, and then I found the Long Island Railroad. Thankfully there's a 10:05 train, so missing that 9:45 wasn't too horrible. And I was able to buy my Long Island Railroad ticket and the air train ticket all in one, so hopefully that'll save me some time. This is what I call LIRR business class.
Good, good. Thanks. Thank you. That was very smooth. All right, let's see if I'm the first one here or not. I don't see them. Did I win? I might have won.
I have a feeling I'm still beating Jess, definitely beating Ted. I'm hoping that she's not too close behind, so it gives me some wiggle room. It cost me $2.75 for my first ride, my first subway ride to get here. So $2.75 plus $5, $7.75 to JFK is way cheaper than I would have paid for either car service or Blade.
I keep thinking about if I had massive luggage, this process would have been really, really miserable. There's been a lot of stairs in and out of the subway, you know, going to the Long Island Railroad, getting off, getting to the air train. If you have massive amounts of luggage, do not take the Long Island Railroad.
Oh no. Okay, so Nat just texted me, and apparently I was wrong. We were meeting at Terminal 5, JetBlue, and I went ahead and went to the TWA, and now I'm losing. So I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run.
I'm gonna go inside. I think I might be the first one here though. I don't see anybody else.
So I just made it. I'm running up to the terminal.
Okay, I ran. I'm at Terminal 5. I see it. It's there. Okay.
I'm looking to see if I can find them. It's actually a really big check-in area, and I can't see them.
There she is. She beat me.
10:43. So I walked into the terminal at about 10:17 this morning. It took me about 50 minutes from the time I left the office, and it was $64, but I got here in 50 minutes and I beat Ted, which is the most important part.
But the Blade was sweet. I got free rosé.
Oh, okay.
I made it. I'm in third. I beat Jess. My only goal was to beat one person, and I did it.
Well, we all made it, and now we're just waiting for Jessica to get here. I thought the Long Island Railroad was supposed to be faster than the subway.
Yeah, same. Maybe I'm just a hustler.
Okay, I think we spotted Jess. She's arrived.
Last place. Okay, now that I actually... Drinks on me. So we're all going to go through the price, the time, and the stress level of each of our different routes at time. It took me an hour and a half. Price, it was $12.75 for the Long Island Railroad and the air train ticket, not including the subway to get to the Long Island Railroad. And stress level, it was really hard for me to find the Long Island Railroad, but once I got on it, it was quite peaceful and easy from there. So
I came in third place. It cost me $7.75. It took me like an hour and 10 minutes, and it wasn't that stressful. The only part that was really frustrating was the air tram took a lot longer than I had expected.
I got second place. It cost me $195 for the Blade, plus $25 for the lift ride to the Blade helipad, but I got here in about an hour, and the whole experience was super convenient. If you're in a rush, depending on traffic, a Blade might not actually be the absolute fastest way to get to JFK. But in rush hour, I 100% would have won.
So I came in first place. It cost me $64.59, and I took a car. Literally zero stress. Got picked up in a door, got dropped off door to door at Terminal 5. Can't complain, there's a little bit of traffic. The only thing that was a little bit bothersome is the price point. It was a little bit more expensive, but for zero stress, I would say it's worth it.